Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 10 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are active voice, passive voice, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and countable words. Let us start with active voice. Active voice is the voice in which the subject, that is the doer of the action, comes in the front. Like, let us start with an example. He sings a song. So, he is the subject, that is the doer of the action. Who sang the song? He sang the song. So, he is the doer of the action. He sings a song. वह गीत गाता है. गीत is song, गाना is sing. So वह गीत गाता है. He sings a song. वह क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. That means they will play cricket. That means वे क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. That means they will play cricket. Play is खेलेंगे. They, that means वे. So they will play cricket. That is the doer of the action is they. So वे cricket खेलेंगे. They will play cricket. Are you writing a letter? क्या तुम पत्र लिख रहे हो? These are again active voice, but they are question here. Are you writing a letter? So you, who is a doer, comes in the front. क्या तुम पत्र लिख रहे हो? Are you writing a letter? Have you finished this job? क्या तुमने यह काम कर लिया है? You, who is the doer of the action. Have you finished? That is खत्म कर लिया है. This job, that is काम. So have you finished this job? That means क्या तुमने यह काम कर लिया है? Have you finished this job? Help him. That means उसकी मदद करें. This is a sentence in imperative form. So you are requesting help him, or you can say it's an order also that a person can be asked that help that person, or it's an order. उसकी मदद करें. So help him. Help is मदद. So these are the few sentences in active voice. Passive voice, in which third form of this form is used, of the verb is used. Have you been cheated? क्या आपको धोखा दिया गया है? So have you been cheated? Cheated is धोखा. He will be pleased to see you. उन्हें आपसे मिलकर खुशी होगी. He will be pleased to see you. उन्हें आपसे मिलकर खुशी होगी. Now some imperative sentences in which there can be an order or request or command. Do this work. यह काम करो. So it's a command that you have to do this job. यह काम करो. You have to do this job. उसे बैठने को कहो. Ask him to sit down. उसे बैठने को कहो. So ask him that he should sit down. Again, it's in order. Punish him. उसे दंड दो. दंड is punish. Him. उसे दंड दो. Advertise the poet. रिक्त स्थान का विज्ञापन दो. Please don't smoke. That means, again, it's a request which comes in the category of imperative sentences. कृपया धूम्रपान ना कीजिए. So smoking is dhumrapan. So you are requesting that the person should not smoke. कृपया धूम्रपान ना कीजिए. Please don't smoke. कृपया धूम्रपान ना कीजिए. अनुशासनहीनता को प्रोत्साहन मत दो. Don't encourage indiscipline. प्रोत्साहन is encouragement. Don't encourage these kind of behavior. Indiscipline, that means अनुशासनहीनता. Indiscipline is called अनुशासनहीनता. So don't encourage indiscipline. अनुशासनहीनता is indisciplined work. Don't encourage it. So that means अनुशासनहीनता को प्रोत्साहन मत दो. Now interrogative, that is question form. क्या पार्टी में उन्हें आनंद नहीं आया? Did they not enjoy at the party? That means Anand is enjoy, party. क्या पार्टी में उन्हें आनंद नहीं आया? Did they not enjoy at the party? Shall we ever forget these good days? क्या हम कभी इन भले दिनों को भूल सकेंगे? भूलना is forget. Good days, that means भले दिन, happy days. So can we ever be able to forget these good days? क्या हम कभी इन भले दिनों को भूल सकेंगे? Now exclamatory sentences, where exclamatory sentences are those in which we have sometimes sudden emotions comes into being. So these sentences are exclamatory sentences. कितना सुंदर दृश्य था वह. Sometimes when we see some beautiful picture or beautiful scene, we say what a lovely sight it was. कितना सुंदर दृश्य था वह. What a lovely sight it was. रात को कितनी ठंड है. What a cold night it is. Cold night is ठंड, रात is night. So when it was too wintry or too cold night, so sometimes we exclaim out of surprise or what a cold night it is. Now few more imperative sentences where we are requesting. कृपया दरवाज़ा खोलिए. Please open the door. Please keep quiet. That means चुप रहो. दरवाज़ा is door. So please open the door, that means कृपया दरवाज़ा खोलिए. That's a request. Please keep quiet, that means चुप रहो. So please keep quiet. These are some positive sentences. Positive sentences in which we don't have any negation, any negative part. They are called as positive sentences. हमारे देश में कुछ ही नगर उतने बड़े हैं जितना मुंबई. So few positive sentences. Very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. So this is a positive sentence, that very few cities are as big as Mumbai. हमारे देश में कुछ ही नगर उतने बड़े हैं जितना मुंबई. There are few students in the class. क्लास में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Class where people or students come to study. So there are few students in the class. Class में कुछ students हैं. Now some countable words. मैदान में कोई लड़का नहीं है. That means there is no boy in the playground. मैदान में कोई लड़का नहीं है. You're counting boy. There is no boy. You're counting. No is here countable word because it is counting how many. So answer is no boy. How many mangoes are there? It's a question regarding the counting. That how many mangoes are there? टोकरी में कितने आम हैं? Basket is टोकरी. आम is mangoes. So how many mangoes are there in the basket? टोकरी में कितने आम हैं? So it's a sentence in which we are asking the counting of mangoes. उसे थोड़ा वेतन मिलता है. So here we are counting the salary that he gets, small salary. थोड़ा वेतन, that means small salary. So he gets a small salary. उसे थोड़ा वेतन मिलता है. That means again it is counting the salary. It's a small amount. So counting is there. So first sentence in which it was counting of boy is where there is no boy. Second question regarding the counting. Third is small salary. So that is countable. So that is all for this session by now. That's all. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.